guys, today we'll trade on the Quotex platform, and before we start, I recommend you trading by my signals where the profit of transactions is more than 80%. Please come to my Telegram for more details and let's start trading. Consider the parabolic, CCI and zigzag indicators. We select the CCI indicator. It's an auxiliary indicator and indicates an overbought or underbought state in the market where there is a zero value as well as an average of up to 100 and minus 100, which exceeds and lowers the marks of 100 and minus 100 is the overbought or underbought state of the price. We choose a parabolic. This indicates to us the points indicating the movement and direction of the trend. Also a zigzag indicator indicating movement from a push to a trend, movement where we get our pictures. And we can draw lines where we can see the trend movement. Now let's choose the currency pair that gives us the highest payout percentage. We select a currency pair. Here we see that a trend reversal begins, so we can immediately open our trade at the reversal of our trend. As we see that the parabolic indicates a movement in a downward trend. Also, the CCI indicator has reached the level from the overbought state to the average one, where we see a slight sideways movement, but the trend has its downward movement. So now we can successfully close our deal, and let's wait for the deal to close. So we successfully close our trade. Let's continue trading on another currency pair to consider the principles of the indicator. So we see that the trend reversal begins here. So now we select a point to enter. Here is the most optimal point for the selected time frame for entering an uptrend. As we see that the price has reached an underbought state, a correction has occurred. Now we see that there was a push in the price since the price reached the underbought state and the support level from where we got the impulse and pushed to move the uptrend and move along it. So we are now waiting for our trade to close. And we successfully closed the trade again. Let's choose the following currency pair. So here we see that a downtrend begins to form. So in the middle of the time frame, we can open our trade to reduce the price by choosing the best points in order to enter and open our trade. Now let's open a trade to reduce the price. As we see that we have a potential for a downtrend in the shadow of a candle, which gave us a signal that a downtrend reversal of the price decline may begin now. As the price has reached an overbought state to the resistance level from where it's now we are repelled. Therefore, we are now expecting a downward continuation of the trend and the closure of our deal. And we successfully close our trade and select the next currency pair. Here we can open a deal to increase the price. Let's open a double trade as we see that the market begins to reverse the trend to an upward one, as the price we had for a long time was in underbought state. We also see that we had a downtrend. The shadows of the candle at the support level gave a signal that the trend reversal will begin now, also according to the poll, which now starts reversal also at the top at the shadow of the candle of the zigzag indicator. We see that these give a signal about the movement of an uptrend. Let's wait for the completion of our deal. We successfully closed 2 of our trades and continue trading. Here we can open the double trade at the end of this time frame. Now we will open our trades on the movement of an uptrend, as we now see the support and resistance levels have been formed. On a zigzag, it's clearly seen that now at the support level in the underbought state of the price, we had a push to uptrend. So now we have the expected uptrend. So let's wait until our deal is closed. On the uptrend moment, we also see that we have a high volatility, and these signals are clearly visible here. Let's wait for the deal to complete. And we successfully close our trades and continue trading and select a currency pair. Here we see that we can open a double trade to reduce the price, as we now have a downtrend according to the movement of our CCI and the parabolic trend. The zigzag also now indicates a candle shadow signal, saying as the trend reversal is likely, but now for the formation of our trend, we have opened our deal for decline, as after this and the end of the next time frame, we expect the trend reversal to an upward one, but now we can successfully close this deal, and let's wait for its completion. So we have successfully closed our deal again. Let's open the last deal for today. So here we see the beginning of a downtrend, but from the selected support and resistance levels, which is we can see marked the zigzag in the triangle. We can open our deals here for the entire amount. For the movement of the downtrend, the parabolic also indicates the movement on that downtrend. We see the push of the trend at the support level at the CCI. We also see that the price pushes back from the zero value to the minus. So now we expect a value exceeding minus 100 and successfully close our deals. So now let's wait completion. And we successfully close our deals with a plus, showed a good trading today. Also consider the zigzag indicator. And in conclusion, I want to recommend you my private channel with my own strategy. You can find it by link in the description, and nice bonuses will be waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.